Howdy y'all, welcome to the Dirt Road Grocery Store, and today we'll be reviewing the Safari Press Whitetail deer targets. These deer targets are really good for practicing your shooting because not only do they look realistic and lifelike, which is helpful, but they also show you the insides of the deer so you can tell whether or not you're shooting at it correctly. There are 3 shots that I know of: the shoulder shot, the heart and lung shot, and the neck shot. The shoulder shot and the neck shot aren't really easy, but the heart shot is, because as you can see over here, the heart and lung are really big and are the easiest target. Since it is reversible on 2 sides, you've got the realistic side and you have the one that shows you the inside of the deer. When you were practicing your shooting, you can tell whether or not you were hitting it. For instance, if you were trying to hit the neck shot and you aren't hitting it very well or good most of the time, then that probably tells you that you shouldn't do the neck shot. If you were trying to hit the shoulder blade but you were missing most often also, then that also tells you you shouldn't do that one. If you're getting the heart and lung one, if you're practicing that one up, and you're hitting it most of the time, then that probably tells you that you should practice that shot more because you'll probably hit a deer with it. And since to this video, we are going to practice shooting this deer target and show you how you can use it. Hey guys, I'm back again, and I took 3 practice shots, and it seems like I missed the neck shot, as you can tell on there. I missed the shoulder shot, but I hit the lung and heart shot perfectly. And it's really easy to tell whether you did it or not, because you could just flip it over. That's the heart and lung shot. Nah. If I got a little bit lower, I probably would have hit the spine shot. Neck, but I didn't. There it is. Bye, y'all.